Looking good, I suppose.
You think?
C3 special. Can't get any more special than that.
Special for more than one.
Looks like we had our special K today, guys. Yay! I gotta get a helmet mount, so I won't have to walk through when I'm dead. But still look like I'm in the game.
I'm on the other team and I'm trying to just spawn these guys.
V.I.P camera, yay!
I'm happy to respawn.
Hey Mike! Say hello to you two.
Hello.
Bring over there. Go clean them out, boys. I got 3 people over there. Go clean them out.
Alright, let's do it. I think you should take points.
Yes, absolutely. Give me a weapon. And a cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger?
Cheeseburger on the way.
I thought you has cake.
I think I have one of my. He has cheeseburger.
Alright. And who's got the cake?
I do.
Because you gotta have tactical
willingness
cake.
to lay down your lives for your airsoft god is noble. Make with the laying down of lives.
Do we get our 75 virgins, Lou?
Yes.
Alright. I'd say that's worth it.
They're all big and heavy.
No, that's not worth it then.
And sweaty.
Oh!
You just wasted them as we were walking up here.
They got nothing better to do. They're going to sit around and eat. I mean, we're already surrounded by zombies.
Let someone straight ahead.
God damn.